News from West Bengal now. The Kolkata mayor's niece, Debapriya Chatterjee, who allegedly assaulted a traffic cop, has sparked another row with her reaction to the entire controversy on Twitter. Debapriya took to Twitter to lash out at those who were criticizing her for the incident on Friday. There was a heated exchange of words between Chatterjee and the Twitterati, with the mayor's niece calling those opposing her as less privileged. When someone asked her if the Chief Minister will speak in his favour if he's stopped by cops, the answer from Debapriya was shocking. Her water words with others in the social media also reflects the same manner. Apparently, there is a deep sense of outrage among people after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee too backed Kolkata's Mayor Shobham Chatterjee's niece and not the state police in the incident where she allegedly assaulted a traffic cop. Even state BJP has hit out at the Chief Minister for her open support to the mayor's niece.
বাচ্চা মেয়ে পুলিশের হাত থেকে লগবুক ছিনিয়ে নেয়, বাচ্চা মেয়ে পুলিশকে মারতে পারে, এত বড় হিম্মত জোগাড় করতে পারে যে পুলিশকে মারার মতো কাজ করতে পারে, তাকে রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী বাচ্চা বলে আখ্যা দিতে চাইছে।